Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, scholars and dignitaries, welcome to another episode. Welcome to my world.
Hello, friends. So, for those of you who love to entertain, unless you're serving caviar and lobster, I think most people serve a mainstay of pizza and buffalo chicken wings. I mean, we order a pizza, and if our whole family comes over, we may need to order two, along with a few dozen wings. And not just for home, but a lot of people who go out to eat order the same chicken wings, buffalo style, coated with a spicy sauce, either of a mild, medium, or hot variety. And of course, there's all types of sauces: buffalo style, barbecue, garlic parm, teriyaki, orange pineapple, breaded, baked with spices, and there are a lot more. And they aren't just paired with pizza, but with salads, sandwiches, appetizers, and a host of both alcoholic and non alcoholic beverages. And of course, now they have boneless chicken wings, which are special treats for the grandchildren. Anyway, here's a brief history of the buffalo chicken wing and how it actually went from an undesirable cut of meat that was usually thrown away to one of the most popular foods today. So, the buffalo wing was actually born in Buffalo, New York, and for the most part, it wasn't planned, it was by accident. And that accident has grown into one of the greatest food delicacies in the world. In fact, there are about 1 billion servings of chicken wings every year. Just on Super Bowl Sunday alone, Americans consume 1.4 billion chicken wings, cleaning and sucking the meat right down to the bone. The most basic recipe and the most favored is fried chicken wings, but if that isn't bad enough, they're coated in a mixture of butter and hot sauce along a scale of heatness: mild, medium, hot, extra hot, and triple X. And yes, there is actually a pepper sauce that reaches 1.5 million Scoville units on the heat index scale. And of course, everyone wants to try their wings hot and hotter, at least the first time, and then they'll change their minds to a more mild flavor so they can enjoy the delicacy. So, the famous buffalo chicken wing as we know it today actually dates back to the 1960s, originating in Buffalo, New York. But first, remember that the chicken wing itself for decades was seen as the undesirable part of the chicken. While people did eat the drumette, both the flat or wingette and the wing tip were discarded, although many times people kept them to make chicken soup or for stock. Anyway, there was an Italian couple in Buffalo, Frank and Theresa Bellissimo, who owned an Italian restaurant, the Anchor Bar, in downtown Buffalo. And again, no, they didn't serve chicken wings, but sometimes would save them for chicken stock. But as the story goes, in 1964, their son Dominic came into the restaurant on a Friday night with some of his friends, and they were hungry, and they wanted something different, something new. So, like all mothers to please her son, his mother Teresa said okay and improvised a snack from what she had on hand. So she took some wings she was saving for her soup, deep fried them, and then added a secret sauce, and the wings were an instant hit. And then they developed different sauces, again with hot sauces being the most famous, and sometimes with a side of ranch dressing for either the wings or celery, carrots, or other sides. And today, no one can remember when buffalo chicken wings weren't served. And within 1 month of first serving them, Frank Bellissimo said that they were serving 3,000 pounds of wings per week. The Anchor Bar is now a multi state franchise and actually sells their patented bottled hot sauce as far away as Japan. It's so famous that even Homer Simpson was eating them in one episode. But to be fair, certainly the Anchor Bar wasn't the first to serve a platter of fried wings, of course, but they were the best and the most famous. Unfortunately, Teresa and Frank Bellissimo and their son Dominic all died decades ago, but their influence will live on for many, many more years. It's the Italian way. It's the American way. So the Anchor Bar secured its place in wing history, and serving them with hot sauce, blue cheese, and celery all started at this little family-owned restaurant in Buffalo, New York. Hey, be safe, be well, and enjoy a few chicken wings and a slice. But watch that hot sauce, and may God bless.